Pass to number 34 to Kabang.
Pass ball, Kabang.
Up. Los Santos and Javier Flong 3 off target. And rebound, oops. Side step to the middle. Libre hook shot. Bakit? Paguyos. Left-handed lace. Oh, second follow-up shot. Bakit for 2? Long pass. Butakan, binit-bit. Fires off the window. Bakit for 2? And there's a post. Oop, straight to the hoops. Bakit for 2? Or boost. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagayan Intertown Apong League 2024 para sa laban ng Tuguegarao at Bagao. Shoutout kay Captain Nides Headwear para sa mga gustong mag-order. Sulit at legit. Captain Nides Headwear, nasa comment section lang yung link mga idol. And the jump ball, Paguyo versus Ataban. And here you go, first ball possession. Tuguegarao all the way to the hoops. Cobalios test nears Butakan. Los Santos, Paguyo drives to the hoops, lays. Oops. And nakatayo. Kabang. De Los Santos. Side step to the middle. Libre hook shot. Bakit? Pagod. And there's number 15. Ataban. Pati yung mga kasama nakatayo. Ataban spins. Fakes. Ataban pinabitin. Tending all. And in. Ayan out. Nakatayo yung mga kasama nila, oh. Nakatayo. Siguro pag pumasok to, uupo sila. Bakit? Kabang, long pass. Butakan, binit-bit, fires off the window. Bakit for 2? And the long pass. And here's De Los Santos. De Los Santos, floater, too short. Rebound. Tuguegarao, Cobalies. To the middle, Ataban. Corner. Spins. Fires, pinabitin. Bakit? De Los Santos. Pass to Javier. Javier all the way. Backdoor inbound. Team Tuguegarao. And to the corner. Wide open for 3. Too strong. Baseball pass. Cobalies. Left-handed lace. Oh, second follow-up shot. Bakit for... Nakuha ngayon ni Agabin pinasali sa Taban. De Los Santos bounce pass. Kicks out. Wide open for 3. Bang! Javier! And here's Paguyo. Pass to Butakan to De Los Santos. De Los Santos step back for 3. Off the mark. Put back shot. Butakan and the finish. And it's a post. Straight to the hoops. Bakit for 2 or boost. And it's Javier crossover. Nabitawan. Naagawan. Javier side step floater. Off the mark. Agabin. Wide open for 3. Bang! 3. And here you go. De Los Santos. And here you go. And pass. Oops. Javier. Sumegway. Kicks out. Wild form on 3. Bang! Manuel. And here's Manuel. Wild open for 3. Bang! Back to back 3. Agabin. Pass low. Hits to the middle. Fires inside. Pocket for 2 Ataban. And here's you go. Paguyo. Pass on the inside. And here's Agabin. And pass to Ataban. Corner passes for 3. Bang! 3. And it's behind the back. Paguyo. Corner pass. Fix. Sumayaw. Umatake. Yusuf Palpal. Garao for the inbound. De Los Santos. No look pass in the middle. Corner pass. Drives. Bounce pass. Fix. Clutch pass. Agabin crosses the mid lane. Pass to the corner. Pass inside. Bagiran. Oops. Castañeda. Pass to number 27. Plotter. Oh, lucky bounce. And here's Agabin. Agabin stops to the corner. And pass to Bagiran. Bumangga, tumira. Rebound. Bagiran. And here's Castañeda. And that's the end. And agawan. Kalubakib. Pass to the middle. Side step. Sopalpa! Ang play ito. Oops. Nakapila sila. Oh. Oops. Hiwa-hiwalay. Kicks out pala yun. And this pass on the inside. Binalik Fakes. Pinilit. Wala. And here you go. Kabang. Poop. Long pass. Nakagawan. Yung mga kanang. All the way. Floater. Bucket for 2. And rip. Number 10. Antya-tapikan. Kabang. Pass to Javier. Javier. All the way. Fires. Won't go. Rebound Ancheta. Pass to Kalubakib. Kalubakib. Kicks out. Pull up J. Kalabong. Bucket. The Nets. Javier with the ball. Javier to De Los Santos. De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Sumatake. Bounce pass inside. Hook pass. Basket and 1. And here's number 21, Javier. Pass to Kabang. Pass to Javier. Fakes. Pass back for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. And here's Fakes. Javier. Oops! Oy! Wala. Rebound. Nakuha. Foot back. Bucket for 2. Makanang. Pass to Corpus. To Makanang. Pass on the inside. Natapikan. And Kabang. Kabang. Behind the back. Kabang. Loses the ball. Nakagawan. Corpus. Corpus. All the way. Off the glass. Corpus. Makanang. Pass to the corner. And here you go. Makanang for 3. Rebound. Stops. Kalabong, Makanang sidestep, hook pass, stolen. Nakuha dito ni Javier, straight to the hoops, lace. Easy bucket. Long pass, here's De Los Santos. Backdoor inbound for Kabang. Pass back Kabang, wide open for 3. Bang! Javier. Corner. Javier to Javier. Pass to the corner. Kabang Fakes, 1 bounce for 3. So strong. Pass break. Cobalies. Pass to Corpus. Uy, may foul. Javier holds the ball. Dribble the ball. Pass to Paguyo. Paguyo. Pinabitin. So palpal. Hook shot. Bucket for 2 of the glass. Up. Corpus. Corpus. Oh, pinabitin. Di na iba to. Paguyo. Baseball pass. Exacto. Step back. Wild open. Hit Javier. Hook sa 2, floater, pag for 35-32. Bagao up by 3. And here's Tataban. For team to Gegaraw. Cobalies to Dutaka. Kalabong, pinabitin, basket and 1. That's Tataban. And here's Javier to Kabang. Kabang, alip pass inside, oops. And here's, oops. Cobalies to Ataban, to Cobalies. Cobalies. And here's open for 3. Short. Rebound. Javier. Javier for 3. Short. Dive for the ball. Oops. Na-recover. Nakuha ni Javier. To Kabang. And to Paguyo. Long 2. Paguyo won't go. Kalabong the rebound, the long pass at Taban, and hook shot, Cobalies bucket for 2. For the inbound to Javier. Pass to Javier, Javier. For, Supalpal, in a pass break. Nauna na, Cobalies. Hook shot, pasok yan, Cobalies. 38-35 score. Team to Gegaraw up by 3. Here's Javier to Kabang, pass to the Javier, Bumanga, kicks out, pinasahan si Cobalies, hook pass, fires at Taban of the window, bucket for 2, 5 seconds on the game clock, 15 seconds to shoot, Javier, pass back Kabang, fakes, step back, carry, off the mark, butter for the rebound, oops, nakuha dito ni Corpus, corner pass, Ataban of the window, yes sir! And here's De Los Santos, all the way to the hoops. And a baseball pass, End of the third quarter action here. De Los Santos. Javier. Pass to Cabang. Picks. Cabang. Cabang cross pass. Javier. Uy! Fires. No good. And here's, oops. Sidestep plays. Oh! All the way! And here's the bang to De Los Santos. Iniwang mag-isa sa tres. Off the mark. Rebound Paguyo. Kick out to Javier. Sinausaw! And here's Javier. Pass to the middle. Manuel. Pass to Javier. To Manuel. To Los Santos. Floater shot. Oops! Bucket for two. And here you go. Corpus. Bounce pass. Ataban. Ataban. Bounce pass to the middle. Kicks out. Wild open pero umatake. Kalusot. Oh! Cobalye. And here's Manuel. Pass to Javier. Uy! Wala. And here's Corpus. Long pass. And Calabong lays. Bucket for two. Calabong. And here's Javier. Javier dribbling the ball. Passes to De Los Santos. To Manuel for three. Off the mark. And here's Coballes to Corpus. Oh! Pinasa sa gilid. Kicks out. Coballes. Oops, here's Ataban for three. Ban! 3 And dribbling the ball. De Los Santos spins. Fires. Rebound. One bounce. Supalpal. Recover. And pinasa. Picks. Clutch fire of the window. Save by De Los Santos. Ataban to the middle. Calabong inside. Pass fakes. Clutch fire. To the corner. Ancheta looking for the receiver. Pass to Calabong. Calabong. Pass to Ataban. Ataban. Spins. Corner pass. Ancheta. Picks. Calabong. Ooh. No basket. No basket. Manuel for the Team Bagao. 10-point lead. 41-51 score. Corner. And here's. Uy! Gandang tira. And here you go. Pass to up. Pinasa pabalik. Lays. Corpus with the finish. And a 10-point lead for Team Tuguegarao. De Los Santos and Javier long three. Off target. And rebound. Oops. Bagsak sa Idol. And his pass. Floater. Supalpal. Oops. Isa pa. Nadalib. Oops. 21 Javier. Stops. Pass to the 21 Manuel. Javier. Javier. Oops. Corpus. Hook pass. Agabin. Attacks. Pass to the corner. Floater. Off target. Rebound. Post break. And here's Javier lays. Too strong. Bucket for two. Javier. And Corpus. Pass to the middle. Agabin. Attacks. Pass to the corner. Oops. Cabang. Cabang. Pass to number 34 to Cabang. Pass back Cabang. Up. Oh, hands po. Oh. And Agabin. Agabin the crossover to the corner. And a drive. Sancheta. Floater. Won't go. And here's De Los Santos. Bounce pass. Oops. Natapikan. Ancheta. Please don't go. Put back Ancheta off the window. Ancheta. Cabang. Pass to De Los Santos. Cabang. To De Los Santos. Kaya Stins. Pass to Cabang. Oops. Manuel. Corner. Pass to the middle. Oops. Pass break. And Coballes. Easy bucket. Cabang. And pass to Manuel. Pass to Cabang. And this De Los Santos wide open for three of the target. Rebound. Put back shot of the window. Yes, sir. And 10 seconds on the game clock. And Corpus kicks out. Agabin for three. Bang! Agabin three. Baseball pass. Sakto Ramos. Oh! At the buzzer. Basket at the buzzer. That's the end. And he stops. Para sa 3. Bang! Again, back-to-back 3. And here's Kabang. Santos. Tatapikan na Paguyo. Fires ang bawi ni Paguyo. Kabang. Pass on the inside. Oh, extra pass. Oops. Naagaw. Pass to Paguyo. Binitbiti si Bakit Paguyo. Kabang. Pass to De Los Santos. Kabang. Pass on the inside. Tinasa ang kalaban. Kabang. Pass to Corpus. Pinabitin. No. And pass to Javier to Kabang. Kabang natapikan. Pass inside. Paguyo. Pinabitin of the glass. Paguyo. And here's Corpus. Pass to Kabang. Makanang. Pass to Corpus. Picks. Pass inside. Kicks out. Corpus for 3. Bang! And here's Javier. Inside pass. Oops. Makanang. Agabin. Corner. Sa 3. Bang! Back to back 3. And here's Javier to Kabang. Nakagawan na naman. And here's Corpus. Binit-bit. Basket and 1. Corpus. On the free throw. Pasok. 75-55 score. Behind the back of Javier. Pass to Ismanuel for 3. Off the mark. De Los Santos put back. Wala. And here's Agabin. No look pass inside. Picks. Fading away. Wala. Put back. Off the glass. Kalabong. Javier. And pass to Santos. De Los Santos plays in and out. And here's Kalabong. All the way. Basket and 1. For 3. Bang! Javier 3. And here's Corpus. All the way to the hoops. Too strong. Oh! Ewan ko kung sinong nakashoot. And the pass break. And drives. It's back. Fires bucket. And here's Kalabong. Pass to the middle. Corpus. Kicks out. Picks. Ataban to the middle. Long pass. At his lace. Francisco Bucket for 2. Ataban. Pass to Corpus. Pass to the off the glass. And here's Corpus. 3. Easy bucket. Corpus. Wala. For 3. Pasok yan. Manuel. And that's the end of the game.